like an 8. Do you see this?
He's puffing up. This is why he's called the Puff Man.
This is insane.
Isn't that amazing?
This is insane. It's honestly...
If you push it, you can hear the air come out.
Oh my god! Did you get that on video?
Yes!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Only my friend!
You're insane! I got your belly. I got your belly. I got your belly. I got your nose. I got your beak.
He's not normal.
I got your wallet. I stole your wallet. I got you. What the heck?
I know! My birds are weird. I don't know what to do. They're so weird.
Poof man. Baby, be nice. And Miss Victoria, she's getting her therapy. These two are here for checkups. I don't know. I think Dr. G has her hands full today. Yeah, for sure.
You are so big and you're little but me. Yes, you are, and I love you so.
Oh! You love Dr. G.
It's a good thing about fast reactions.
You love your Dr. G, huh? Say thank you, Dr. G. Aw.
I got the whole puppy in my hands. I got the whole white puppy in my hands.
Thank you for letting me have fun.
Oh, puppy in my arms. Got the whole puppy in my arms. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Speak.
Weird or overgrown, that needs to be taken back, but his actually looks okay. It's like right where the bottom beak meets the inside of the upper beak.
Never heard of that.
Oh, you look.
The Puff Man. He's chuffy right now. He's like, I'm gonna get Dr. G. Ooh, terrifying, the Chuck Man. he's like a haunted house on his own.
I think it turns right. Yes! Puffy! Puff man! I love you! I love
He's
you!
like, you're not gonna take blood from me. Oh no! You attacking me in the middle of your exam? Dr. G steps out for 1 second and you attack me. Get back up there. Seriously. What was that about? Why did you just attack me? Huh? I'm gonna tell Dr. G you were bad. I'm gonna have to replace that whole cup for Dr. G now. You ruined all the nuts. It was for like other birdies, other patients, not just for you. Yeah. What were you thinking? It's so weird. Are you gonna be a good boy at Dr. G's? Huh? Gonna be a good boy? Look at you! Oh, look at you! Thank you. Okay. You're here for a physical. You ready?
In my hands, I got the whole. Oh, coming out.
He's coming out.
Coming out.
He just burped for Dr. G.
I can't even mimic a burp sound.
How does he do it?
I can't sound like you. I gotta make a better burp sound.
Dr.
So,
G,
even though I'm trying to burp back at you.
she's winning him over with nuts for his
The
exam.
weight of his heart is through his stomach.
His first exam with Dr. G, and he's given her all kinds of burps, so I think we're done.
Scary Charles. Scary Charles. Is that so scary? It's very spicy. Oh my god, I love you so much. Look at your little face. I love you.
Oh, boo-boo.
I know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But not really. What? I'm sorry I love you? I love you so much.
Good job. You just had blood work. Proud of you. Okay. Want another nut? Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Good boy.
Eat your feelings. Okay. Eat your feelings.
Good job, boo-boo. Feels so good. She like gets that like laser coma face. She loves it.
You are so brave and you're a little puppy. Yes, you are, and I love you so. Best day. Best day. Best day ever. Thank you for giving me the best day. Seriously.